Hello, Jungle Explorer here, and I'm got this little dash cam from THiEYE, called the THiEYE company here, and they sent this to me to give me a little test. They saw that I was doing some reviews on some other dash cams, and so they asked me if I would do this a review for them, so I did. And you know, it's I think I paid about. I think the cost on this is about $38, $37.99 right now. So it's a little bit more than the budget cameras that I've done, the $18 and $24 one that weren't very good. It's less than some of the other cameras I've done that were in the $60 range, which were really good cameras. I've obviously got it out of the box because I've already used it. Actually, I took a trip up into the New Mexico mountains around Cloudcroft last week, and it did really well. You know, it doesn't feel very heavy like the other ones, you know, all made out of steel. This is all kind of plastic here, and it doesn't feel, you know, very strong, but it didn't give me any trouble. It sticks to the windshield real good. It comes with some other stuff in the box here that, you know, you might want to use. Comes with a little USB cord, a little stick-on dash mount thing, and then a really long power cord for it. And the power cord actually has a USB in the back. I already have long power cords and, you know, chargers and stuff, you know, triple outlet, quadruple outlet chargers in my car, because I always travel with a lot of people, and everybody's neat, you know, has a smartphone, and they're always dying. So I have cords everywhere. My car looks like a spider web. So I don't really need any more stuff in the car, so I don't use that stuff. I never have really had good luck with these things that stick to the dashboard. They always come off. I've had best luck with it sticking to the window. So I did take this on a trip to New Mexico. And was gone for about 4 days, traveled about 500 miles, maybe 600 miles altogether, and went through a snowstorm, a blizzard actually. It was pretty cool, and got some good footage of that, and it did really good. You know, it doesn't feel heavy. It's pretty lightweight, and it's all plastic construction, but I have to say that I was quite impressed with the quality of the actual video that it produced. The daytime video is pretty amazing, on par with some of the more expensive models that I've used. So quality-wise was good. The nighttime video was good. It was a little scratchy. You know, it had, you know, I'm not sure why it was, you know, all nighttime video is not real super high quality, but there was kind of like a radio interference there. And I was running my other camera. My other dash cam camera alongside that was in my car at the same time, and there might have been a little radio interference that was coming through at night. That other dash cam does interfere with my car radio, so I know it's emitting some RF signal that's there, but it wasn't anything really serious. There was just a tiny bit, a little bit of interference there. You might see that in the video when I show it to you. Other than that, it did really good. My only complaints about it is that it's got a little tiny LCD screen, and the writing on it is just so super small that it's all, you know, I'm older and my eyesight's not that good, so without glasses I can't really read what it says. And the menu functions on it, it does come with a manual. The manual also is very fine type, you know, written, so if you have good eyesight, it's good for you. Low batteries coming on there, so you know, but aside from those minor things, once it's set up, basically it comes from the factory, you plug it in, and it's shooting in 1080p, you know, 3-minute segments. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off because the battery's dying. Well, it turned off on me anyways. It has a little micro SD card here, and then your charger cord goes in up here. It uses about 250 megabytes for a 3-minute video file at 1080p. So on a 32 gigabyte card, I was getting over 6 hours of filming at that rate, which was pretty good. For the quality of video, I was impressed that I was getting that much on the card. It has a microphone on it. Microphone does pick up sound, and so you can hear road noise and talking going on in the car. So it does really good. It's got some other features like camera lock, like if you have a picture or a video of something, say a herd of elk run in front of your car, like they did for me, you can press the power button while it's on recording, and it'll lock that video file. And it has a car sensor motion. I didn't test these features out on it. Basically it's supposed to detect motion and stuff. Everything seemed to work good, but I did not test those features out. Anyways, the most important thing is the quality of the video, so I'm gonna throw some video up here for you, and you can see how it performed, and then we'll finish up.
What was he telling about that girl? Okay. So funny.
Okay, so you see how that video worked. It did take some pretty good video, I'd have to say, for the price and everything. I think it's a fair deal. Like I said, it doesn't feel like it's the best construction. It's an all plastic construction. It's not heavy, and this kind of joint right here, I don't think would take too much abuse. But as long as you take care of it, I think it'll be fine. It worked good for me. I used it for the whole trip, and I'm going to give it to my son for his car, since he doesn't have a dash cam. Like I said, it shoots really high quality video for a $38 dash cam, and there's really not much to complain about it. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. If it's been helpful and you liked it, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you do comment, remember to tick the little bell button up there so that you'll get notified when I release new videos. So until next time, the Jungle Explorer signing out.